Watch this dog get saved from a fire by this firefighter.
Gotcha.
My dog is still inside. He panicked and bolted.
Name?
Maverick.
I'll bring Maverick out.
Entering structure for canine rescue. Heavy smoke, moderate heat. I hear you, buddy. I'm coming.
Maverick! Here, boy! Maverick, stop!
Easy. I've got you. You're safe.
Maverick!
Yeah, he's okay.
If you're enjoying this, hit that like button and subscribe for more just like it. And don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss an update.